everyone, and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel. Today I have the unboxing for the Simon Says Stamp September 2019 card kit. Got my sucker. Let's see. Got our inspiration sheet. This one is called Look for the Rainbows. Okay, so this kit includes the Rainbows 6x8 stamp set, and you get some really pretty big floral images, and oh, those birds are really cute too. So this is somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams you dare to dream really do come true. Prayers, hello, everything will be okay. Always here for you. With sympathy, thank you for everything. Sending a bouquet of happy thoughts. May you find a rainbow of happiness. Thinking of you. You're on my mind and in my heart. Looking for the rainbows. Hang in there, friend. A butterfly too. There's a couple of them. Very pretty set. Okay, that's called Rainbows. I'll just set that there. Alright, next is you get one Tim Holtz Kaleidoscope 3D Texture Fade. So that is this one. And those are super cool. I don't know if you've ever used one, but they take embossing to a whole different level for sure. Okay, and you get a pack of American Crafts Enamel box of Crayon enamel dots. So we've got these enamel dots in crayon colors. They're all glittery too, so that's fun. Lots of shapes. Very cute. Okay. 12 double-sided sheets of Vicky Bouton mixed media 6x8 paper. So that would be this. Lots of fun colors, and you got the little stripe of different colors. Goes along with the themes. You got some butterflies and stuff. Oh, this is really pretty. I like the script in there. Lots of fun, pretty patterns. This is really pretty too. Really neat papers. Love, love, love. Okay. Alright, next we have one jar of Nuvo Crystal Gems. So that would be this little guy here. Alright, here we go. Oh, it was taped, that's why I couldn't get it off. Oh, so that's cool. And there's a variety of sizes in there. So if you can make a big size, you know, a shaker that has like double foam, then you could put these in there. Really pretty. Okay. Then we have 7 sheets of the Tim Holtz Idea-ology Metallic 8x8 Craft Cardstock. I have been wanting some of this to check it out. So the purple's pretty, but these are some really good fall colors, like copper and gold, and always love the teal. It's kind of a yellowish, greenish color. So these are neat, and they're craft on the back. Okay. All right, next to see is envelopes. We have envelopes in Island Blue, Metallic Schoolhouse Red, and Metallic AUDREY Blue. So there's the envelopes for this one. And then we have the cardstock in Island Blue, Schoolhouse Red, AUDREY Blue, and 120-pound white, which makes great card bases. So that is the Look for the Rainbow card kit. And I don't know about you, but I can't wait to start coloring some of these flowers. They're so pretty. All right, that is the card kit, and we will see you soon in the next video. Okay, so I couldn't help stamping some out and giving them a little bit of Copic coloring. So there's some of the flowers from the stamp set. We'll see you soon in the next video.